Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here and we can disappear and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
Hola, hello, buenos dias, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Anytime you're watching this, welcome people, what's up? So why did I start the vlog looking like this nasty, wet, sweaty person? It's just to let you guys know that I'm working out. I am working out. So I just did some walk at home and some aerobics. So I'm really tired. Like, oh, let me fix up my sports bra. I'm really tired, guys. Hold on. So this is me. I need a different waist trainer though. This one I have it for a long while, so active like one time, but I see a store in Linstead selling them, so I think I'm gonna get a new one, but in the meantime I'm working with this. So I did call it a 10-minute walk at home. Video was longer, but because I started late and I have work and I wanted to fit in the other workout, so yeah. But how you doing? Wagwan, what's up? How did you start your day? Did you start your day by working out? Because they said your health cannot wait. You gotta attack that from right away. So I'm so wet. I'm gonna kind of prepare myself for school. I'm gonna buy some Cersei, no sugar added. Yeah, so that's what's up for my morning. I think this is gonna be a day in my life video. Today I have to do a few little things, so as the day prolongs, then I'll definitely come back to talking to you guys, videoing, giving you guys a little, you know, of what's in my life. I'm not done already, not much not in my life. It's me and my yard. Oh no, I'm not that type of person to have this whole heap of things going on at home. So yeah, so if you're new, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment down below, let me know how you guys are doing, and yeah, walk on. So I'll see you guys in another clip. All right guys, I'm feeling awesome right now, feeling good, feeling energized, feeling relaxed. House clean, like house clean, me clean, hair clean. Well, I say me clean, which means my hair would have been involved in me. Yeah, everything clean until babes actually come down. Yeah, so I just washed my hair. I'm gonna have my first meal. It's after 12. All I had from morning was some Cersei and I had apple. So that was me eating in between the window from when I got up to after. It's after 12 now. So babe did prepare steamed fish yesterday. May I show you? One look steam there. That's alone less back. That's a mine. So I'm gonna eat it now, and I'm gonna watch Grey, and then I have a presentation to prepare for because tomorrow is workshop at school. So, and then I'm gonna put on one wig. So I'm gonna do all that in this vlog, because it's a day in my life vlog. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get dressed, eat my fish, watch the show, and then do the presentation. While I'm doing it, I'll come back and, you know, talk to you with and, you know, I'm gonna try and be as creative as I can with that presentation. So guys, I was here like ready. Yeah, me here is just a self dry. I was like here ready to go deal with my presentation, because I said in the previous clip that tomorrow is workshop at school and we have a presentation. So I was like here looking up for everything on self-esteem. Your girl was in the moment of planning like a little skit and what me gonna do, and then me get a little call say, Miss Caballero, I'm so sorry you won't be presenting tomorrow. I'm like super excited, but you know, in the tone of, okay miss, yeah. But you know, on my side over here, my face is like anyways people, I just washed a wig that I had, and I'm waiting on it to dry, and then I'm gonna install it. So in the meantime, I probably just blow dry my hair, oil it, and cornrow it. So the next time I come back, when the wig dry, I'm gonna put on the hair and everything. So yeah, that's just one little me not having to do nothing down. Woo! Best thing I could ever do for my children, no know. But you know, and this is how dinner is looking. I'm about to do a little installing of this wig. It's been a while since I've actually worn wig, but like, you know, let's see what I got if I fell off the track when installing wig is a thing. So yeah.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder right to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 Look. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 I can
probably wondering, okay, Tash, where's the hairstyle? I got exhausted and could have bothered to like complete the curling, so I just put my bonnet on, come take a shower, and I'm going to bed because I have work in the morning. So the finished outcome of whatever it looks like, you guys will see that I'll be continuing the vlog tomorrow because I am going on the road, which means I'm going to work. So yes, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
Number 2, recognize the invading germ, example the virus or the bacteria, and produce antibodies that fight and destroy the germ before you become unwell. Are vaccines safe? Yes, vaccines are safe. They are rigorously tested before approved, closely monitored for any potential adverse effects, and side effects are possible, but they are generally minor and temporary. And as I've said before, I have not heard anybody with any adverse effects since. I have one police who came for his second dose, and the first dose he was sick. But he came and he took the vaccine, and when he left from the vaccination site, he went straight to work that night, and he was ill for that week. And he came back to take his second shot, regardless. Alright? So she was saying you really have to build your body so that your body can withstand, all that's going on. Alright, should go on. Why should we get vaccinated? So today there are vaccines available to protect us against at least 20 diseases such as diphtheria, tetanus, tetanus, influenza, and measles. Together, these vaccines save the life of up to 3 million children every year. Without vaccines, many more illnesses and deaths would occur. So what you need to know about the COVID-19 vaccine, the COVID-19 vaccine is a vital tool in the effort to stop the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. Side effects are mild to moderate and are temporary. They are signs that the body is building protection against the disease. Most common side effects are pain and tenderness at the injection site, headache, tenderness, muscle pain, general feeling of being unwell, chills, fever, joint pain, and nausea. So can people who have COVID-19 be vaccinated? Yes. Persons who have COVID-19 can take the vaccine. It is still not sure how long persons who have COVID-19 are immune to the infection. Even after you take the vaccine, you must continue to wear your mask, wash your hands, and keep your distance.
Alright guys, so I'm just showing you how the wig basically turned out. Not a big deal, nothing too fussy right here. Just wanted to fix curly at school, and we're having a little lunch that I told you about, and we're having lunch right now. So yeah, that's what's up. Fruits and snacks and desserts and all of that stuff. So guys, for lunch we got oxtail, fried chicken and veggies and a little bit of rice. There's this and our school give us oxtail for lunch. No. Alright guys, what's happening? Now I am in Courier at Champion supermarket. Just went to the supermarket, just got a few stuff, but then still inside, and I am waiting on him to come out. I can't wait to go and pop off the wig from my head. It's a car down help on me. Oh, it's hot body now. So I just wear to close my head. We just can't wait to go pop off the wig, honestly. So yeah, I got the groceries in front of me here and so forth, and boy, when me thirsty, I got a bottle of water. I haven't had any water all day, so yeah, the water at home finished, so I had to get a few bottles. Now I'm going to ask the taxi man if he can fill the big bottles for us when he's coming back to Ochi. Some just there out here away from babe. And as me say, me there champion outside I wait.
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take